range of laptops under $550 is the reason why the new Microsoft Surface Go of $550 is so special. It is a cheap laptop that is really nice. Surface Go is a 2-in-1 laptop. But it's very, very good. It jumps to be exceptional when you consider its price versus other devices of the same class. It is sent as a tablet, but for an additional cost of $100-$130, you get a keyboard cover that is very sturdy and not at all tight for a keyboard that comes with a 10-inch device. Thanks to its small size, it is even better to use it in the lap than Surface Pro. The machine currently comes in two flavors, a $400 version with 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM, and the $550 version with 128 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. I checked the last one. This 10-inch cousin of the much larger and larger Surface Pro will evoke an iPad the first time you lift it. Both are tablets first, with a minimum number of inputs. The Surface Go has a USB-C port, a 3.5mm audio port and a Surface charging port, and both have removable keyboard covers. The Surface Go is about the same size as an $650 iPad Pro, although it weighs a fraction of a pound more.